Every day, football channels are getting millions of views, yet most beginners quit before they even upload their 10th video. Not because they aren't talented, but because they don't know where to start. The good news is, you don't need expensive software, professional editing skills, or years of experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a football channel, create engaging videos, find quality clips, edit them professionally, and avoid common beginner mistakes. So, let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Choose your football niche. The first thing you need to do is choose what type of football content you want to create. There are two main options. The first is short-form content, which includes YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. These videos are quick, energetic, and perfect for football edits, skills, goals, and trending moments. The second is long-form content, where you create storytelling videos, player documentaries, match breakdowns, or football compilations. My advice is simple. Pick one style and stay consistent before trying everything else. Step 2. Choose the right editing tools. Now let's talk about editing. If you're creating long-form videos, CapCut is one of the best free editors for beginners. It's easy to learn and has everything you need to create professional-looking videos. If you're focused on short-form edits with fast transitions and effects, Alight Motion is another great option. And don't forget about YouTube Studio, where you'll upload videos, track performance, and monitor your channel's growth. Remember, great content comes from practice, not expensive software. Step 3. Finding football clips. One of the biggest questions beginners ask is, where do I get football clips? You can collect clips from YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms, but finding high-quality footage can take time. A better approach is to build your own organized clip library so everything is ready whenever you start editing. The more time you save searching for clips, the more time you can spend creating better content. Step 4. Edit your video. Once you've collected your clips, it's time to edit. Start by removing unnecessary moments and keeping only the best parts. Add smooth transitions, background music, and simple text to highlight important players and moments. If you're creating shorts, try syncing your clips with the beat of the music to make your edits more engaging. Finally, export your videos in 1080p. Use 9:16 for shorts and 16:9 for regular YouTube videos. Step 5. Thumbnails, SEO, and copyright. Before uploading, make sure your thumbnail grabs attention. Choose an exciting football moment with a clean design instead of filling it with too much text. Use searchable titles, write a simple keyword-rich description, and add relevant tags so YouTube understands your content. And when using football clips, don't simply repost them. Always make your videos unique by adding your own edits, effects, music, or storytelling. That's what makes your content stand out. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start creating football videos, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. The best way to improve is by creating, learning, and staying consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what type of football content you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.